Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel.
You will not be able to resist this non-fried gulab jamun. It's moist, tender and very flavorful. So let's make gulab jamun in a mug for episode 1 of DPL. Start by whisking ghee and powdered sugar along with rose water. Then add curd and room temperature milk. Give it a good stir. Now combine milk powder and flour along with baking powder and baking soda to make a silky smooth batter like this. Now either microwave, air fry or bake in OTG and dig in. Wow! Just imagine Kohli is about to hit a century and you start craving for something chocolatey. Then this no maida 5-minute chocolate mug cake will come in handy for episode 2 of DPL. Simply start by combining room temperature milk and vinegar along with brown sugar and vanilla extract. Now add coconut oil and move on to adding whole wheat flour and cocoa powder along with baking powder, baking soda and salt. Give it a good stir. The batter should look like this. Now clean the edges of the mug and microwave for just 2 minutes. Optionally, top with dark chocolate chunks and get ready to dig in your chocolate mug cake. My family never used to let me eat Britannia fruitcake because earlier it used to contain eggs. But now that I can make it myself, let's recreate the same fruitcake but single serve. Start by combining lemon juice in some milk, stir and set aside. Then add vanilla extract, melted salted butter and powdered sugar. Now in goes all-purpose flour, custard powder, baking soda and lot of tutti frutti to make a smooth batter like this. Top with some more tutti frutti, then either microwave, air fry or bake in OTG and enjoy. You don't have to share this chocolate chip cookie with anybody because it's single serve. It's crisp from outside and soft from inside, so let's make it for episode 5 of DPL. Start by making brown butter. For that, microwave salted butter until it turns slightly brown. Then add jaggery powder and whisk along with vanilla extract. Now combine room temperature milk followed by flour and baking powder to make a thick batter. Add chocolate chips as much as you like and bake. Check written recipe in caption and enjoy. This soft and melt-in-mouth rasmalai mug cake is very flavorful and it's single serve, so no need to share it with anybody. You can make it only for yourself. Start by combining cardamom powder and saffron in warm milk. Then in a big cup, whisk ghee and powdered sugar. Now combine almond powder and milk powder. Add in the flour along with baking powder and baking soda followed by saffron milk we just made to make a smooth batter. Bake in a preheated kadhai, serve with lot of chopped nuts and enjoy. Wow! This soft and moist coconut mug cake is very flavorful, baked in air fryer and it's single serve, so no need to share it with anybody. All you need to do is combine yogurt and baking soda and let it froth for 5 minutes. Then combine oil along with desiccated coconut followed by flour, powdered sugar, baking powder along with cardamom powder and salt. Then add milk to make a batter just like this. Now bake at 150 degrees Celsius for 12 to 15 minutes and enjoy. I would have said no to this cake 5 years ago, but now I can't resist coffee. So let's make eggless coffee cake with Biscoff and walnut crumble. Trust me, this combination tastes fantastic. Start by breaking Lotus Biscoff into smaller chunks, then combine chopped walnuts, powdered sugar and salted butter to make crumble. Now in a mug, add instant coffee, milk, followed by brown sugar and vanilla extract. Now add oil along with flour, corn flour, baking powder and baking soda. At the end, add vinegar to make smooth batter like this. Top it with Biscoff crumble we just made and bake or air fry. Your coffee cake is ready for episode 7 of DPL. This cake doesn't have the aftertaste of ragi. It's made in a steamer without maida, without wheat flour and sweetened with dates. So let's make wholesome single serve ragi cake in a blender. Just add ragi flour, cocoa powder, baking soda and salt in a mixer jar and pulse 2 to 3 times. Then add soft dates along with milk, vanilla extract and any neutral oil. Blend again to get a smooth batter. Now once the water in kadhai comes to simmer, place a perforated plate and cover with lid leaving a small gap. Your healthier ragi cake is ready. Only 45 seconds is what you need to make this healthier, no refined sugar, single serve Lonavala style walnut fudge in microwave. So in a mixer jar, add soft dates, vanilla extract and cocoa powder along with walnut powder, coffee powder, water and coconut oil. Then pulse 2 to 3 times just so that everything binds together. Then transfer in a greased cup and microwave for only 45 seconds. Optionally, pipe chocolate ganache like I did and your gluten-free walnut fudge is ready to dig in.
तो आप इस रेसिपी को जरूर ट्राई कीजिए एंड इफ यू डू शेयर पिक्चर्स विद मी ऑन इंस्टाग्राम एंड टैग बोल्ड बेकिंग नेशन. I'll see you next time. Till then, bake bold and live sweet.